morning everyone. Actually it's not morning, it's more like good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lesleyanne and I do mainly lifestyle videos. Today I've just had my Sainsbury's online shopping delivered. I will turn the camera around and show you what I've got. In no particular order whatsoever, so there's some bits over there on the table, bits here on the island and bits over there in the kitchen. I will start with the frozen stuff, I think, because then they can all be put away. So, first thing I got was these, just a little cheapy Yorkshires, 48p for 15, amazing price. Some steak cut chips. They're going to go to the garage as a freezer in a minute. Then over here, I haven't had these before and I thought they might be quite nice. They actually look nice. They were on offer. I can't remember how much, but they were on offer. And these are the bird's eye fish nuggets, but we will have these in one of these, rolls, and we will put a few oven chips in it and it becomes like a fish and chip sandwich for lunchtime. Or you can have it for your main meal. We sometimes do that as well. But we'd have maybe, you know, if it was for a main meal, might put extra chips on the side or something. Then I've got a pack of petit pois and some edamame beans. Love these. Then I thought we'd try something a bit veggie. Have a couple of vegetarian meals. So there are 2 per box and there's 3 of us here, so you know this will be like for 1 meal this week and 1 meal next week. I do have some more rolls in the freezer, but the idea is we have one of these rolls here each for the fish nuggets and one with the crunchy fillet burger, the Quorn one. So I think that's all the frozen, it is, all the frozen bits that I've got. I might as well stay here now then. So I have my large white rolls, these were £1. Time of year is approaching and of course Easter eggs and hot cross buns are out. So a pack of 6 hot cross buns, 2 loaves of the Taste the Difference, the slow fermented sourdough bread, absolutely gorgeous, that one. Some bagels, a pack of the New York Bakery sesame bagels. They were, I can't remember, $1.25 maybe. They were the ones on offer anyway. Then over here, so I've got a gluten-free cake, sponge cake here. So this is the it sounds really nice with rich buttercream raspberry jam. On Saturday we are going over to one of my daughters, we're all going over to celebrate. We're having an American supper. I'm taking lasagna, Holly's making macaroni cheese, Hannah's she's making a chili and rice. I think the boys are going to pick up some salad stuff, and yes, I'm going to make a cake. So normally I would make my cake from scratch. If you've been with me a while, you know that I would, but we're really busy with kind of dogs at the moment and stuff, so I honestly just thought, you know what, rather than weigh everything out, and I'm just going to use this. So this is going to be for those of us, well, the rest of us really, but I'm going to fill it with thick double cream and strawberries, strawberry jam and strawberries, and then cream on the top with strawberries on the top again. And this one is Holly's because obviously she has to have gluten-free. But what I will do is, before I put any cream onto this cake, I will put some cream on the top of hers, put some strawberries on the top of hers, before I even contemplate touching this, so that there's no cross-contamination. A few pantry bits, so I went with the cheapo ones today. So the Hubbard store tomato ketchup and their brown sauce, they are fine. You know, it's kind of quite a strongish one, but they are, I mean, we like them, so, you know, that's why I got it, I suppose. And of course they were cheaper. I think they were, oh, I can't remember, but they were cheapest anyway. I bought this, the Hubbard Store Food Strawberry Jam, to go in this cake. I didn't go for an expensive jam because I thought, well, it's in the middle of a cake and they're going to be getting strawberries anyway. Sunpat Crunchy Peanut Butter. So I buy the Sunpat one because it doesn't have any palm oil in it. Some chili flakes, garlic granules. This was a substitute. I did order like a box of 12 of the large free-range eggs. They didn't have it, so they've substituted it for 2 half dozens, and of course they refund me any difference. Got a Hunter's chicken. I haven't bought any chicken because I have some in the freezer. Tartar sauce, that is to go with the fish nuggets in like the bun. Some light soy sauce and some Worcester sauce. And then I got these to do the lasagna, only I thought I'd ordered 2 of each and I didn't. Because I'm making a great big lasagna, I don't think this is going to be enough. I might be able to just get away with adding a tin of tomatoes actually, and that's certainly going to be enough. But yeah, both of these are gluten-free. So I checked myself on the back on the ingredients, and I did double check with Holly, and she said, yeah, they're fine, Mum. So that's that lot. Okay, over here. I'll start here. So got some milk, so 4 pints of semi-skimmed milk. Just went for 1 zero cola and 1 diet lemonade. I went for the orange and mango squash. Now, as you can see, this is 4 times strength. You only need the tiniest bit. I think it was £1.90. But honestly, you need the tiniest drop. And it's perfectly strong enough. It's a really, I'd recommend this. It goes such a long way. Then over the back there, I've got some bleach. 2 cartons of orange juice there. I've already shown you that. Some Flora buttery, so only went for the small, well, it's not the smallest size. What's this, about 450? Let's have a look. 450 grams. Because I still have some left, but I won't have enough to last me, so. Some soft cheese, some brie. You will know, if you've been with me a while, that when it's a shopping day, we have bacon and brie baguette or rolls for dinner that evening with a bit of salad. Now this was a freebie. This is the Flora plant butter, the salted one. Now this is actually on offer for £1 anyway, but if you go onto the Sainsbury's website and you go into the, I think it's like freebies and competitions or something like that, there is a code. There is a code, and what you do is you just add the item to your order, and then like when you're checking out, you put the code into the coupon-y bit. So that was free. Some pate, streaky bacon to go with the brie. Some cheddar cheese. This is 900 grams. It used to be, I remember not very long ago, £2.99, then £3.99. I think it's £4.99 now. 600 grams. Mils. 600 mils of double cream. Ready to make the cakes. 14 slices of cooked ham, and then 14 slices of the black pepper salami slices. Again, my baguette arrived broken. Now, they always say this to me, like, if you want to have a baguette that isn't broken, have like a 7 o'clock delivery, because the first ones to be delivered are always fine. But unfortunately, they're kind of packed into a crate in their van. And as they go over lumps and bumps, the ones at the bottom, they tend to break. However, if they do arrive like this, they refund me. So in actual fact, it's going to be cut up anyway. So again, that was free. 2 lots of baking potatoes. I think these were 50p or something like that. So 2 lots of those. Some strawberries, which look okay, they'll be fine. Ripen up a little bit more, ready for the cake. Some imperfectly tasty seedless grapes. I'm sure I ordered green, but it doesn't matter. Apples, I think these were 68p on offer. Cucumber, some mushrooms, some oranges over there, some broccoli and some grated cheese for the lasagna. So rather than have to grate our cheese to put on it, it's going to be quite a big one, so I thought that would do nicely. Onions, these were on offer, so a pack of 3 red onions. And then here, what is this? An iceberg lettuce. I think I said broccoli. I don't know. Yeah, I said mushrooms. A red and a yellow pepper. Some tomatoes, salad tomatoes, carrots, and a bunch of bananas. Last but not least, over here, some training pads for dogs. I've said before, a lot of the dogs we have, especially in the winter, can be very naughty, can't they, Pepper? Some Caesar dog food, dog treats. I did order a big pack of the chicken and rice. They didn't have any, and with the dogs I always tick the do not substitute bit. Don't tick that bit because I don't want them to substitute anything with any rawhide in it. I did order these though, so these have arrived. So these are their favourites actually, the chicken with carrot sticks. These I ordered some Wag little donuts. They weren't in stock, so they've substituted with these. Pepper, what are you doing? And then, as per normal, a couple of boxes of paracetamol. Was I talking about you? Yes, the mop's out, isn't it? Why is the mop out? Pepper, why is the mop out? Why is the mop out? Is it because of you? Oh, are you going to dance? Come on then. Oh, you are clever. Come on then. No, dance. Up. Look. How cute is he? So sweet. You want yours because you're dancing for me. You can have yours first. You get down, Elsie. You've got to sit. Oh, you are clever. Come on then. Good boy. There you go. Right, Teddy. And out. Oh, yes. Come on then, Elsie. Up. Come on. Are you thinking you're clever as well? Right. Wait. Gently. Good girl. Teddy. Right, what have you got to do? Paw and up we go. There you go. Off you go. And that, my lovelies, is the end of my shopping haul. This lot came to nearly £128. I don't think there's a lot here at all for the money. A lot of the things that I did buy were partnered with Aldi prices, so I wouldn't have got a lot of it. All the stuff that I could get in Aldi's, I wouldn't have got it any cheaper anyway. Yeah, it's just the way of the world right now. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't, shopping hauls are your thing, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. I will talk to you in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.